Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you do quite well. Here is magazine Mockup. These files for Photoshop CC plus user, and file is protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri escape, buy now in $2.99 for lifetime. Password is as of my any data or video. Okay, first we go to here. Open. Click on layer. Page 1 is here, page 2 is here. Simply click on page 1. We need any poster image, but I use this. Control S, and the second photo is here. Control S for saving. You see our design is here. You can more setting. Here is color. Okay, you can change background color. Okay, close this and open any other. Here is just one poster. Oh sorry, two design. One is here. I know you can do it. Poster girl photo. Oh, we need high definition photo. This one. Control S. Oh, okay, and second is here. Control S. Our magazine is ready. Here is color option. You can select any color. I know you can do easily and just import your image. Press Ctrl S for save file. Download this app for password Sheri SK. Go to Google Play Store and take care of this.